Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second semester, second book. I am going to give the question answers of the lion and the mouse. The question answers of the lion and the mouse. Exercise page number 13. Exercise page number 13. Now, exercise. See here. Circle the correct word. We have to circle the correct word. So, the lion caught the mouse in his paws dash mouth. Paws mouth. Which you want to circle? Circle the correct one. That is paws. P-A-W-S. Paws. Montu and his friends cut dash nibbled the ropes of the net. What they did cut? No. Nibbled. दांतों से उसको कतर देने की तरह. The net was too weak dash strong. The net was too weak strong. Which will you mark? Strong. Strong you have to circle. The net was too strong. The lion caught the mouse in his paws, no mouth. Monto and his friends nibbled the ropes of the net. The net was too weak, strong. Circled. I have circled the strong one. Now, second one is answer the following questions in one sentence each. Describe Lolo the lion. Describe Lolo the lion. See here. Lolo, yellow. Lolo was a strong and ferocious lion. Lolo, yellow, W-S was a strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, A-N-D, and ferocious, F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S, ferocious lion. Then, describe Montu. Describe Montu. Montu was a little naughty mouse. Montu, M-O-N-T-U. Montu, W-A-S, was a L-I-T-T-L-E, little naughty mouse. Montu, M-O-N-T-U. Montu was a little naughty mouse. Why was Montu scared? Why was Montu scared? Montu was scared because he was caught by the lion. Montu was scared. Why he was scared? Because he was caught by the lion. Montu, M-O-N-T-U. Montu was, W-S was, scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because he was, H-E, W-A-S was, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught, by, B-Y, by, T-H-E, the, L-I-O-N, lion. Montu was scared because he was caught by the lion. How do we say that Lolo was kind-hearted? How do we say that Lolo was kind-hearted? Lolo pardoned Montu and allowed him to go. Lolo pardoned Montu and allowed him to go. Yellow, P-A-R-D-O-N-E-D, pardoned Montu, M-O-N-T-U, Montu, A-N-D, and A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed, H-I-M, him, T-O-2, G-O, go, allowed him to go. Answer the following questions briefly. Answer the following questions briefly. How did Montu free Lolo? How did Montu free Lolo? When Monto saw the Lolo caught in the hunter's net, he called his friends. All the mice nibbled the ropes of the net. The ropes began to snap slowly. Lolo came out of the net. Lolo came out of the net. Now, how did Monto free Lolo? See here, W-H-E-N, when Monto, M-O-N-T-U, Monto saw, S-A-W-T-H-E, the Lolo, Lolo, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught, in, I-N, in, T-H-E, the hunters, H-U-N-T-E-R-S, apostrophe S, hunters net, N-E-T, net, comma, he called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, H-I-S, his, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends, all the mice, all, A-L-L, all, T-H-E, the, M-I-C, mice, N-I-B-B-L-E-D, nibbled the ropes, T-H-E, the, R-O-P-E-S, ropes, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, N-E-T, net, the ropes, R-O-P-E-S, ropes, began to snap, B-E-G-A-N, began, T-O-2, began to snap, S-N-A-P, slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly, Lolo, L-O-L-O, came, C-A-M-E, O-U-T, out of, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, N-E-T, net. What do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? We must be humble with everyone and use our strength to help other people. W-E-V-M-U-S-T, must, B-E-B-H-U-M-B-L-E, humble, with, W-I-T-H, with everyone, E-V-E-R-Y, every, O-N-E, one, and A-N-D, and U-S, use, O-U-R, our, strength, S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength, to, T-O-2, help, H-E-L-P, help, other, O-T-H-E-R, other, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. See here, answer the following questions briefly. How did Monto free Lolo? How he free Lolo? What do we learn from this story? Now the C question is, I am so big and strong and you are so little and weak. Who is I in this sentence? Who is you? I is your lion. And who is you means you comes here, your mouse. You mouse. Yes, C question, as I have told you. I am so big and strong and you are so little and weak. Who is I in this sentence? Who is you? I is Lolo, the lion here, and you is Monto, the mouse. The mouse. Have you got it? We have completed the question answers. Question answers completed. Now activity language development. Activity language development, that is, observe the order of the pictures, read the jumbled sentences given below, arrange the sentences, numbering them in order. Numbering them in order. Numbering them in order. These are given the sentences, but they are not in a correct sequence. उल्टा पलटा दिया है उन्होंने, हमें उसको अच्छे से करेक्ट लिखना है. देखो, चिल्ड्रन टुक द पपी टू द डॉक्टर. चिल्ड्रन सडनली तो कुत्ते के बच्चों को लेकर हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाते हैं. तो वी हैव टू रीड द लेसन properly, we have to read it, the sentences properly, and then we have to answer the arrange the sentences in a correct way. See here. First thing is what happened? A puppy was lying on the road. Its paw was injured. Its paw was injured. Okay. Then this will be your first one. Then second one. Sunny and Sunil saw the puppy. They slowly picked him up. उन्होंने उसको झट से ऊपर ले लिया. Okay. Now, third one is children took the puppy to the doctor. उसको पैर में लगा हुआ था तो उन्होंने दोनों बच्चों ने जाकर उसको उठा लिया, डॉक्टर के पास ले गए. अभी देखो फोर्थ वन इज डॉक्टर अंकल क्लीन द wound, put a bandage on the wound and gave a injection to the puppy. The children thanked the doctor. The children thanked the doctor. Children took the puppy home. Their mother helped them in nursing the puppy. They put the puppy in a small basket and gave him biscuits and milk. Children named the puppy Casper. They became friends. They played in the garden. And now in the same way what you have to do is they have write the story in the proper order and read it. A puppy was playing on the road. Its paw was injured. Its paw was injured. Sania and Sunil saw the puppy. They slowly picked him up. Children took the puppy to the doctor. Doctor uncle cleaned the wound, put a bandage on the wound and gave an injection to the puppy. The children thanked the doctor. Children took the puppy home. Their mother helped them in nursing the puppy. They put the puppy in a small basket and gave him biscuits and milk. And the last one is children named the puppy Casper. They became friends. They played in the garden. If you have not followed, then there is space here. You mark it. First one, a puppy was lying on the road. First one. Sania and Sunil saw the puppy. Second one. Children took the puppy to the doctor. Third one. Fourth one is Doctor Uncle cleaned the wound. You write. And fifth one, mark here. Fifth one, that is children took the puppy home. And sixth one is children named the puppy Casper. That is the sixth one. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In this way you can mark and write. Complete this story. Now open page number 15. Activity grammar, that is conjunctions and but. Read and remember. The words and but are called connecting words or conjunctions. The words and but join words or sentences. Example, a lion and a tiger. See, join words. Lion and, even no. This is called as conjunctions word and. I play cricket and table tennis. The soup is tasty. But it is very spicy. This and but is called conjunction. Connecting words are called as conjunction. connecting words. That is a lion and a tiger. I play cricket and table tennis. The soup is tasty, but it is very spicy. Fill in the blanks with the correct connecting word and but. Amol's dog. Amol has a dog and its name is Bonnie. Its name is Bonnie. Bonnie is young. But it is very active. Bonnie is loving, but it scares and bites strangers. Bonnie likes to scare cats and rats. Amol has many pets, but Bonnie is his favorite. He has many pets, but among them, Bonnie is his favorite. Now, first one we have completed. Fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words and but. Now, second one is fill in the blanks with the correct connecting words and but. And but. Insects. Bees and butterflies are insects. Bees and butterflies are insects. Butterflies are pretty and they are colorful. Bees are beautiful, but they sting badly. Mosquitoes and flies flies are also insects. They are small but dangerous. Challenge is there, no? Write 2 sentences using and 2 sentences using but. Now we will write here challenge. 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 Now answer. Question you write from the textbook. I'll give you just answer. TINA. Tina, AND. And Tina and Nita. NITA. Nita went to the market. WENT. Went to the market. 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 Full stop. They brought. THEY. They bought. BOUGHT. They bought red and red and yellow dress. Dress. The lion tried. The lion tried to escape. Escape. But the net was very strong. 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 Full stop. The lion was strong. 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 But kind-hearted. But kind. KIND. Kind-hearted. HEARTED. Kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. See here. Tina and Nita went to the market. They bought. BOUGHT. Bought red and yellow dress. The lion tried to escape, but the net was very strong. I want to show you Tina and. See here, and से तुम्हें बोला है ना, and but. They bought red and. The lion tried to escape, but. See here, but से तुम्हें लिखना था. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. See here, this way. The lion tried to escape, but the net was very strong. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. This way you have to put and put. And but. You have to write the conjunctions and but. With this you have to write the sentences. Write the sentences using and using put. 2 sentences using and, 2 sentences using put. Have you understood? Yes. Now whatever I have given question answers until here, read and write for 2 times. So with this we will meet in the next video. Thank you children.